Ball like this, you arrive near, you can stop the ball if you want, put your foot under the ball and try to do this. How many? 5. Forza, 10 bisogna arrivare. Change direction, return. Very good. How many? 5. More fast, change direction, return, ball down, you over, run fast. 8. 9. La palla vicino, anche se guidate forte. L'obiettivo è fare il cambio di direzione subito dopo il nostro first competition. Second competition, more difficult. When you arrive near the second line, the first like before. Okay? Ball down and you go over. Second line, you have to go over the line with your ball. Like this, you arrive near, you can stop the ball if you want, put your foot under the ball and try to do this. Then change direction. First line, ball down and you over. Second line, the same. You arrive near, stop the ball, put your foot under the ball, go over and then pass and say 1, 1, 1. Ok? Si arriva sempre a 10, 10 pass and then you win. 3 to 1? 3 to 1. Only 3 to 1. Ready? 3 to 1?
2 times of the big.
Go!
Go!
Down. Second line, over. Stop the ball. Put your foot under the ball and then go over. First line down. Second line, over. Over, over, sopra, sopra. Bravissimo, senza fermarti. Mettiti nella squadra rossa, là in fondo. Guarda quello che fanno se non hai capito chi. Second line, over, stop the ball. Peccato, fa niente Andrea, ci riprovi perché c'è una seconda linea da superare. Bravissimo, 2. Ma io sei...